I should actually sort and pack all this stuff. But I've been putting it off. I know I have to do it. I'm seeing it, but maybe this afternoon, maybe tomorrow. I'll probably leave in 3 days. Hey everyone! I've been putting off packing for a month or so. And I'm still at my mom's here in Ulmen. I want to leave tomorrow and I haven't packed. I mean, I've got kind of piles. I got like my camping equipment, like cooker, tent, mats, everything. My clothes, my IT equipment, because I got so much. I got a drone, I got a GoPro, I got a camera, I got a laptop, and yeah. And then I have stuff for the motorbike, for preparing stuff I really need. And as I want to leave tomorrow, I'm gonna start packing now. And I'm gonna film it with you. I'm gonna make a hyper lens, so you don't have to, like, you know, it's gonna take a while. But I show you briefly what I can pack in my Mosko Moto 35-liter bags. I got 2 of them, and I got 2 rolls I'm gonna put on the top of the motorbike. And as I've never traveled with the motorbike before, I'm probably not the expert version, but everyone starts somewhere, and I'm sure I'm gonna, how to say that, find while I'm traveling, I will figure out what I really need and what I don't need. I did watch some tutorials on YouTube from other really cool motorbike girls, but they also say that everyone is different and everyone is having a different what they want to take, what they need, and what maybe the bike needs. So basically, also for you as a recommendation is just pack everything, travel for a while, and you figure out if you need all the stuff you packed. And yeah, so let's do this.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
Here are the bags outside at my mom's, and here's Waldtraut. I'm gonna start packing now. So, Taschen sind jetzt da. Und einer der Gründe, warum ich mich auch die ganze Zeit gedrückt habe, ist einfach, weil ich Schiss habe, dass ich einfach nicht alles reinkriege und ich übertrieben viel hier lassen muss. Let's do this, guys. Also ich werde jetzt erstmal... I'm talking German again. I'm not gonna learn it. One reason why I took packing off is because I'm afraid that I can't get everything in and I need to leave lots of stuff behind, and I don't want this. And I'm now gonna put it all out, sort it, and then show you what I'm gonna take and if we can fit it all in the bags. Go. Joking. Well, I got everything on piles now. I got my clothes, my tools for my bike, and like a extra fuel bottle. One was really important. And I got my camera equipment, my IT equipment, my camping stuff, and I got like extra, like my really big and heavy rain cover. I got some, I'll show you in a minute the different piles, and yeah. Alright, we coming to the clothes pile first. What I take on every travels is my thongs. or flip-flops. They are really good as you can just jump out of the tent, go to toilet. You don't need to go bare feet. You need them maybe at a hostel or in a hotel, or you know, they're light and they're easy to transport. And these are actually still from Sri Lanka. Yeah, I bought them in Sri Lanka. I got socks, really important, like underwear, like the basic socks and underwear is the most important part, I guess, because like everything else, you know, if it just gets a bit dirty, doesn't matter, but you don't want to walk away with dirty underwear for a couple of days. Yeah, so my socks and my underwear, because going into winter, I got like hoodies and gloves, and what else is in here? Tights, yeah, a bikini. A bikini is really, you always can need a bikini. So this is this. So my other bags here, which is for dirty clothes, for example, and I might put some of my other clothes in here. Like those zipper bags are always really good. And these ones are actually from when you buy veggies in the supermarket. These are the nets you put the veggies in. So yeah, I just use them. Everything else is like whatever you need. I got a rain jacket. I always take a rain jacket. And I got like 3 hoodies as I'm going into winter. A couple of tops, like 3. Like a light scarf. I'm getting really cold on my neck easily, so I'm having a light scarf, and I have like a kind of a sarong. I'm not sure if I use it in winter, but it's always good to wipe yourself up when you're after a shower or something, because I don't have a big towel. And most importantly, what I need for winter is long thermal underwear I can wear under my biking clothes. So I got 2 sets of them, and I got some normal, because I do yoga, and for over my tights I have like leggings here. Also rain trousers, and I have I actually never went to get those, but they're like those typical German hiking, trekking trousers. And yeah, I'm going over onto these people now. I'm old enough, I can wear them now, and they even have zip legs. I can zip them off. Woo. Yeah, I was laughing about those people too back in the days, but now I'm one of them. It's really practical and so German. No, seriously guys, it's cool because I can just, you know, have my thermal underwear under it, my leggings, and just jump in it and ready to go. Yeah, this is about my pile of clothes. I know it looks much, and I'm not sure if it's too much. I'm planning to have 1 bag with my clothes and my sanitary bag. Alright, let's come to the tool corner, right? Every bike is different. You're probably gonna figure out you need different stuff than I do. So, and like I said before, it's just a matter of getting a routine and driving with the bike and getting to know what you need. But I think everyone needs a run vest, and we're gonna take a run vest. An extra bottle for 1 liter of fuel. I got this tool things with, I don't know the English word, I'll show you. It's like different thingies. This is just like for basic stuff. If I lose a screw, if I need to tighten up something, if whatever, I can just open that and have everything you need. How can I help out other people? Yeah, I got 2 brakes and a clutch in case they break off, which happen quite often. I heard in other vlogs. I got some, like kind of shoelace material, but I can also hang up stuff between trees. I got zippers, like those reusable, what's it in English? Kabelbinder, cable thingies. I got a tongue, is it a Zange, tongue? I have screw glue, and I have 1 second glue. I got some lights, I'm not sure if I'm taking them or not. I got a spare key and then I have a cable binder. And this key, I don't know if I can say that here. I'm gonna hide it somewhere in my bike in case I lose my normal keys. I can just go to my bike and have a secret place where I put the spare key. Well, I got my manual, and for cleaning my helmet I got this microfiber cloth. Yeah, and I think this is about the mechanic area so far. Oh, now I got tire spray. I'm not sure if that works for my kind of tires, I'm just taking it. And I got some chain cleaner, chain clean fat. And my cool Mosko Moto bags, I will show you when I pack them, have these separate bags where I can chuck all this stuff in and it doesn't get wet and it's not in the way. Yeah, this is this technical part. Alright, and I don't need to say much to my technical equipment because everyone is different. I'm taking a drone, my normal camera, a tripod, and also the GoPro I'm using right now, and I have my laptop which is standing up there, which I'm taking, and like a little bag of an external hard drive, cables and a lamp and stuff. So but this is like really individual what you want to take on your travels. And yeah, well, I've got a lot of tissues because I'm using a lot of tissues. So I got a little bag with tissues, and I got a cooker, and this is like the what you put on the gas bottle. I got a thermos to put warm water in if I go for walks. I got some tools. I got this cup here which is really light, and I can even put it on the fire and cook my food with it. I find really practical. I've got these containers when I go for hikes, when I buy food which I don't want to get it too squashed like bananas. I can easily just pop them up, and they're light and they, you know, just, yeah, I find them really cool. I'm taking these. And this bag here is already, this is one bag which comes on the bike like this. This is actually my tent, my sleeping mat, and like an inlayer for my single. This is everything which belongs to my tent, and this is the camping team. And that is it, isn't it? Yeah, I think I'm taking a break now. That was, and I'm thinking about what else to take, and especially the IT equipment I find the most trickiest, because when I record stuff I need to make sure I bring the tools I need to put it on my computer, to put it from my computer on my phone, and it's just a lot of, yeah, thinking what I need. But anyway, who's not gonna traveling into the Sahara where there's literally nothing, everything you can buy, so I'm not really stressed out if I feel like I'm having not enough or I missed something. I just buy it along the way, and yeah, I make a break now and then I shovel it all into the bag. Let's see.
Let me be right by your side, cause I know that this is right. Don't be shy, just get to know me. We can take this somewhere else. You and me can find ourselves. Stop pretending we are lonely. I can't call your bluff, cause I know that this is love. Can't pretend that you don't feel it. People think that you missed, I know you can't resist. Let me make your life easy. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your company. Wanna make you feel so good. I can help you set the mood. 'Cause all I wanna do is hold you. Let me get under your skin.
Klamotten sind eingepackt. Campingsachen sind eingepackt. IT-Equipment ist eingepackt. Das muss ich noch hier verteilen. Und das gucke ich jetzt, dass das ins Motorrad noch passt. So, und beim Motorrad. Dann schaue ich mal, dass ich die ganzen Kleinigkeiten hier. Ich habe hier gerade die Sitzbank ab und da passen noch so ein paar Kleinigkeiten rein. Hier ist halt dann Auspuff, also Sicherung. Und genau, hier ist so ein kleines Fach, da gucke ich, dass ich das jetzt alles irgendwie reinbekomme. Mal schauen. Ja, und tatsächlich hat alles reingepasst. Ist zwar jetzt ziemlich voll, aber alles drinnen. Danke wieder drauf. Und das sieht cool aus. Kling. Das war einfach. Cool. Schlüssel wieder raus. Who's gonna pick us up? I'm too tired to. Well, I got everything packed. It's pretty full, and I got to weight these 2 bags. But I'm really happy with the result. The Mosko Moto Bags is super cool. I can pick stuff on the front and on the sides, and this here. And yeah, we're ready. I can't believe we're leaving tomorrow. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Toll. And yeah. Well, I keep you updated, guys. This was me packing the Mosko Moto 35-liter bags, and I also got my tank bag here. Wait a minute. So, this is the tank bag. I have this additional thing here on top, like this window kind of thing. But this is the Mosko Moto tank bag. It's completely waterproof, so you don't need to take it off or put a rain cover over it. I got like my wallet here, my helmet thing, mask of course, tissues, power bank, cables, bit of girly stuff and my lip stuff, and yeah, and I got there's a little zipper here, pictures here. Yeah, and this is the tank bag I packed. The Hood 5, as it says here. Yeah, and this is the Mosko Moto Pannier Bags, I think they're called. I just put them down in the information. Yeah, alright. See you another day, guys.